case statements. So a case statement, by definition, is a SQL way of handling the if-then logic. A case statement starts with the case clause and ends with the end clause, and has more than one or more than one if, when, and then statement, and an optional else statement. So what might be the uses of the case statement, you might say? So the case statement is usually used to handle if-then logic. Also, it is used to transform the data, and also using those data to summarize values. So our syntax of a case statement looks like in a case. At the end, it will be end, and within those, it will be when condition 1, then result 1, and when condition 2, then result 2, and an optional else statement, and so on, as shown in the picture above. Moving ahead, so let's look at some of the examples of the case statement. So in the first example, we are going to categorize the product with the price, and if the unit price is less than $1, we will term it as a low price. If the unit price is between $1 and $3, we call it as an average price, and if the price is higher than $3, we call high price. So a simple way to do that is using this example: select and then case, and when unit price is less than equals to 1, then low price, and similarly, if the price is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 3, then the average price, and else is the high price, and term it as a price category. We will also get product ID, unit price, from product. We can also use this case statement in combination with the group by clause to summarize values, as shown in the second case. Once we get the pricing as low, high, and average price, we can count how many items are in each category using the count. So we will do an inner join with the CTE over here, and with the orders table, and then get the price category and a summary. So let's go ahead and see this in action. So let's open up our pgAdmin. So over here, I will just get rid of this previous statement. So we will be summarizing using the case statement. So select, and then we will call this one. Okay. Within this, we'll write our case statement, case, and then when. So the first will be, so since we are going to use the product table, so we will check on the products column. So product has a product ID, unit price. So since unit price is less than or equals to 1, then it will be termed as low price. When unit price is greater than 1 and less than or equals to 3, then we will term this as average price. Otherwise, or we can also say when unit price greater than 3, then high price. So this sentence can also be written as else. Else we just say high price. Okay, like that. So I'll just keep this one for now, and then we'll name this column as price category. Price category. We'll also get the product ID and a unit price from product table. Okay, let's go ahead and run this statement. Let me get rid of this. And okay, we forgot we need to have an end statement as well over here. So let's copy this and then run it. Sure enough, we got price categories as average price for product ID 1, 2, and 3, which value is which unit price is 2.3, 1.3, 2, and low price for one, and average price for other, and so on. So now we can also let's go ahead and see our second example. So we can count all these values from orders. How many orders are in the low price, how many orders are in the average price, and how many orders are in the high price, using the join statement. So we'll for this example, we'll make this as a common table expression with CTE as CTE as, I'll just give it a small letter as a name, and then we're gonna select select. So PRS CTE category, and then we're gonna count from we are going to get it from the other orders table. So we're gonna count orders dot item ordered underscore count. It's item count, and from orders. Now this order doesn't have a price category, so we want to do is inner join with the CTE on a product ID. So inner join with CTE, and on we want to have CTE dot PRODUCT product ID equals to orders dot PRODUCT product ID. And we will also like to group by using the price category. Group by PRS price category. Okay, so everything looks good. Let's go ahead and run this query. Okay, we have a issue over here. SEL is CT. Oh, sorry. So we want to make sure we put this everything in the as. We put a bracket over here. Now this should fix it, and let's go ahead and run it again. Yep. Now, sure enough, we are getting, so the average price items that were sold were 13, and the high price items that were sold is 3. We didn't saw any low price items in the orders table that were sold in the orders tables. So we did saw that the product table had one low price item, but that was not ordered. So in the next section, we will look after another important concept after this one.